Hey, what's up guys? Jose here, shredded.dad.com. In today's video, I'll be talking to you about the Inertia Wave Duo. Now this is different from other Inertia Wave products. Other Inertia Wave products like the Inertia Wave Solo and the Inertia Wave Strong are meant to be used by a single person. With the Duo, like the name suggests, you need another person. So this makes it a little bit more fun to work with. You can even work in groups if you do fitness classes. So let me show you the difference. This is the Inertia Wave Solo. The Inertia Wave Solo on one end has this area here where you grab it. There's nothing at that end but that. And then on the other end, you have a rail strap that you can wrap around a post, wrap around a rail, a fence, anything that's stable so that you can start doing the oscillating movements. Now with the Inertia Wave Duo, you have this here. This is a wrist strap. There's nothing to anchor it down to. So the only thing this is for your wrist. And on the other end, you have the same thing, okay? You have a wrist strap. So this is meant to be used by two people, as the name suggests, the Inertia Wave Duo. Now let me show you this up close here. So you have the wrist strap. On the wrist strap, you have a sleeve. That sleeve is gonna go on your wrist like this, on the thumb side, and that sleeve is gonna protect you from this cord here, so it doesn't hurt your skin. Now right below the cord there, or the rubber area, you have a cord stopper, and then you have this end over here. So the way this works is you're gonna set it on your wrist, on the thumb side, and then you're gonna bring that cord lock up towards you till about there, maybe an inch or so, and then you're gonna place your hand, grab it right there, and then your partner's gonna do the same thing on the other side. And that's all there's to it. And the reason this is here is because this is a safety mechanism. So in case one of you or your partner lets go by mistake of the tubes while you're doing the methods, the inertia wave methods, then this is just going to pull and prevent this from flying over to the other person. So it's just a safety mechanism. Weighs about 2.5 pounds, so it's very, very light, but yet it stores energy when you're using it. So you're going to be able to really, really get a high intensity cardio workout. You're going to get a metabolic conditioning workout, and then you can use several methods so you can incorporate different muscle groups. So now I'm going to show you a few of the methods or exercises that you can do with the Inertia Wave, and you'll see me doing them with my 13-year-old son. So let's talk about the pros and cons. Pro number one is that you're getting to work out with another person, which makes it a lot more fun than if you were just doing it alone. Again, everybody's different, but if you like to work out with a partner, then this is perfect for you. I've even seen the Inertia Wave crew using it to braid several Inertia Wave products, and they have a group going around in circles doing different exercises, different movements with the Inertia Wave Duo. So that's pro number one. Pro number two is that this doesn't take up a lot of space. When you compare this to a battle rope, this is nothing. It folds up. It even comes with a travel bag that you can take it with you and put it anywhere. It stores easily because it's 2.5 pounds. It doesn't weigh anything. So it's very, very good as far as space saving and to travel with. It's very light. Another pro about this is that it will give you a hell of a metabolic conditioning workout, a high intensity training workout. You start to feel it right before you even start to work out because your back area, your back muscles have to be engaged from the get-go because this is pulling you from the beginning. So that's different than a battle rope. With a battle rope, the force is dead. You have to create the force. With this thing, this starts to pull you right away. So you start to engage your muscles right before you even start to work out. Now, one con about this is that you're gonna need a partner in order to work out with this. So you're not gonna be able to do this on your own, but that's the whole reason behind the Inertia Wave Duo, so you can work out with a partner. There you have it, guys. That's my review on the Inertia Wave Duo. I think it's a cool product if you like to work out with a partner or work out in groups. It'll give you one hell of a metabolic conditioning workout, high intensity interval training workout, and it's not going to take up a lot of space in your home gym. If you want to check out the Inertia Wave Duo, check out the link below this video. That link is shredded.com/Inertia Wave Duo. If you use coupon code SHREDDED, that'll give you a small discount as well. If you like the information in this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Leave me your comments and questions down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the latest uploads. For more home gym equipment reviews and discounts, make sure you visit my website, shredded.dad.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.